Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to find old Discord servers you left. In this video, we'll be showing how to find old Discord servers you've left behind. If you still have the invite link to the server, that's the easiest way to rejoin. Just paste the link into Discord and you'll be back then immediately. But if you don't have the link anymore, here's another reliable method. Head over to your user settings, then scroll down to data and privacy. Once there, look for the request your data section, click request data. This feature lets you retrieve a full summary of your account, including a list of servers you've previously joined. After you submit the request, Discord will send your data to the same email address linked to your account. Although it can take up to 30 days, it's often delivered within a day or two. Once you receive it, open the file and look through the details to find your old servers. It's a simple but effective way to revisit your favorite communities, even the ones you thought you've lost. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.